In this video today, I'll show you how to make money online with a simple Google trick, which is one of the simplest way to work from home. I'm about to show you how to accomplish it. In this video, I'll show you how to make a passive income stream with this simple trick, which is completely free and available anywhere in the world. You don't need to invest any money to get started. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. You can start earning money right away because I'll show you how to do this step by step. Also, I have a special bonus for you at the end of the video. So make sure you watch till the end of the video so you do not miss any important part. I'll give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot so you can double your potential earning. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel, where I'll teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, press the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Hello guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'll be showing you how you can generate tons of money online with this Google trick. I want you to pay close attention to this and watch till the end of the video. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to go to news.google.com. Simply type Google News or go to this website news.google.com, where you can find tons of news updated every single hour in your country, even worldwide. It's a service developed by Google, so you'll see lots of options to choose from. For example, I'm gonna click on business, where you can get tons of business news based on your country and worldwide. And I'm about to show you how you can make money with those articles. As you can see, those articles are posted every single hour, so that gives you opportunity to make more money online with this method. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow my steps. I'm about to show you right now how to do this. So as you can see, there's tons of articles to choose from. So for example, I'm going to click on this one. As you can see, it's a beautiful article and written by professionals. So we're going to make money off these articles, and for example, I'm going to copy this part of this article just to demonstrate how it works. So I want you to go to this website. It's called quillbot.com, where you can rewrite your articles for free. All you have to do is paste your articles over here. Once you do that, I want you to click on paraphrase. As you can see, this article has been rewritten professionally by this website and it's completely for free. You do not have to spend a dime on this website. Now I'm about to show you how you can make money off of this. This is very important. You have to rewrite this article, copy and paste the original article. You might get copyrighted, so you have to go to this website and rewrite these articles for free. Once you do that, I want you to copy the whole thing, and I'm about to show you how you can make money off this. Make sure you watch till the end of the video. Before I show you this method, I want you to click on the subscribe button so you get updates every day on how to make money online. I want you to go to this website. It's called textbroker.com, where you can get paid for those articles, and you do not have to write any kind of articles. All the articles you can get from Google News. So what you want to do is you want to click on I write content. This website is 100% real. You get paid for your articles. Let's say for 1,000 words you get $50. For 10,000 words you get $500. It's very simple. All you have to do is go to this website quillbot.com, where you can rewrite your articles for free, and come back to this website and submit your articles, and they will pay you. There's a lot of ways you can get paid on this website with PayPal, your bank account and other methods as well. And I'm about to show you now the bonus method where you can double your income. So what you want to do is you want to go to freelancing websites like fiverr.com, upwork.com, even peopleperhour.com, where you can get paid for your articles. Now I'm about to show you an example how it works. So I want you to click on this and simply type articles. Once you do that, it's going to take you to a page look like this. As you can see, lots of people are writing articles for a good amount of money. This one is $75, $65 and many more. And you can start a gig right away. It's very simple to sign up for this website, completely free. And I'm about to show you now the strategy. I want you to sign up for all of this freelancing website out there. That way you can get even more money online. So for Upwork.com, it's very easy to sign up. All you have to do is click over here and fill out the form, and you'll sign up right away. Then you can start a gig and also get hired by people for the project. And same with peopleperhour.com. It's very simple. I highly encourage you to try this method and make a tons of money online. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, stay safe.